Hi, this is Chef Veronica, and today is day 6 of my one meal per day plan. Today I had an avocado. I ate a medium sized, not the small one, a medium sized avocado. I ate that plain, no salt, no pepper. I just ate a clean, fresh, clean avocado. I coated my stomach with the avocado because I know what I was about to put into my stomach. Today I had a burger, like you would call it a super burger. It had on American cheese, it had on ketchup, mustard, the works, the works. I ate it on a bagel. I did not use a bun. I used a bagel and everything. Bagel because it's one meal a day and I needed a bagel as opposed to a bun. The bagel is heavier. And with that, I had some fries. Everything was done at home, homemade, because when I eat those particular items out, away from home, to me they're too salty. It's too much salt. You don't taste it when you're there and you're eating. Everything tastes fresh and crispy and everything tastes good. But let's say that you didn't finish your meal and you brought it home hours later or the next day. That thing, you can feel the poison, you can taste the poison. It is salty. So I try to eat, when I do eat burgers and when I do fries, I do it for myself. I cook it at home with my fries. I put a little bit of Parmesan cheese or Parmesan cheese, the sprinkle, the one you sprinkle. I put a little bit of that on my potatoes when they were raw. I put that on the potatoes with a little olive oil, and then I fry them to get them very crispy. So it had a crispy taste. I don't know if you've ever tried that, but yes, that grated cheese, when you put a little on your potatoes with a little oil and then you fry it in oil, it has a very, very nice flavor. So that's what I had today. I had a everything bagel with a burger inside, and I had fries, and before that I had avocado, and I wash all of that down with a beer. Now I know they say a beer and alcohol beverages are diuretics. I know they say that, but when I work hard, like today, I worked really hard and I used a lot of salt and I was sweating. The only thing that I can drink that makes me feel as though I am satisfied is a beer. I cannot go and reach for no coconut water or no seltzer water. I cannot reach for that crap. I need a cold beer or 2 or 3, but I need beer. I need the hops or whatever they have in that particular thing. I need it. So I had a beer, a burger, fries, and before all of that, I coated my stomach with an avocado. Chef Veronica.